Hello, welcome to the continuation, question 16, WASSCE 2025 Ghanaian student, Further Mathematics. Given that the function f is, let's translate this to become the f of x equals to x squared minus 2x plus 5. Let's translate the g of x equals to 3x minus 1. We are to find, let's say we are looking for the f of g of 2. Remember, the f is pregnant with what? X. Hence, we are seeing the x values. X is pregnant here. So now, ignoring this, if you take this, you can see that the g is now going to be pregnant with 2. So we change the x or swap the x with 2. So if I have g of 2, this is going to say that everywhere I see x, I introduce what? 2. This is a constant I maintain. That makes 6 minus 1 equals what? 5. Meaning the g of 2 is 5. But you're saying f of g of 2. Meaning f of 5. That's the meaning of that. It means the f is going to be pregnant with this. We are picking this, how do you call it? The f of g, let me say, of x, like this, become f of g of x, like this. Meaning f function is no more going to be pregnant with x, but rather pregnant with the g of x. But now the g of x is also g of 2, which is now what? 5. Meaning it is going to be f of what? 5, if you understand what I'm saying. So that the x here will swap with 5. So I'm only going to have the f of g of 2 going to be, whenever I see x, I introduce the value of this, which is going to be 5. So what do we have there? What is it? Okay, x means 5 squared minus 2, 5 plus what? 5. That's the concept. So this becomes 25 minus 10 plus 5. This is 30 minus 10. Okay, let's say 30 minus 10. That gives us what? 20. So if you don't want to go the way I have done it, you can also pick it like this. So everywhere you see the f of x, you change it to, what is the value? This. Meaning this x here will take all of this. This x here will take all of this. When you expand and you finish, you replace the x with what? The 2 in there, which will give you the same result. Alright, so I should be going for the option what? B. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come for more.